On a cold, everybody do cold, on a cold and rainy day, four little friends had nowhere warm to play. Say, wait a minute, said Zebra as she scratched her furry chin. Maybe if we cheered him up, he'd let us come back in. If I did not have stripes, said Zebra. Wait a minute, I should do the voices. Hang on, I'll do the voices. This is Zebra voice. Wait a minute, said Zebra as she scratched her furry chin. Maybe if we cheered him up,